natural, alternative ways to treat and manage type 2 diabetes. Watch this video to learn how nutrition and natural remedies can help you prevent, treat, and reverse type 2 diabetes. Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Saroja. I'm a holistic health coach who's trained in nutrition and homeopathy. As a disease, diabetes is not hard to manage. Following a healthy, nutritious diet and changing your lifestyle to include more activity and reducing your weight and your body mass index are great ways to help prevent, treat, and reverse diabetes. Foods to consume to help you manage and reverse diabetes naturally at home. You need to make notes on this one, so grab your pen and your notebook. Here are some of the recommended foods for diabetics. Number 1. Apples. Apples contain antioxidants that help in lowering LDL cholesterol levels. Regular consumption of apple lowers the risk of diabetes by 23%. Apples are high in fiber that will help reduce the risk of other diseases. Green apples are considered the best for diabetics as they are low in sugar. Number 2. Carrots. Carrots have low glycemic index and low in calories. They are high in beta-carotene that will help lower the risk of type 2 diabetes even if you have genetic predisposition. Number 3. Broccoli. Did you know that broccoli has more vitamin C than oranges? Vitamin C is very important for people suffering with type 2 diabetes as it helps strengthen the potentially damaged blood vessels. Vitamin C also helps in wound healing. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados contain heart-healthy, unsaturated fat content that helps improve cholesterol levels and lowers the risk of heart disease. Research suggests that consumption of unsaturated fat lowers the risk of diabetes by 25%. The oleic acid found in avocados has been linked to causing a reduction in triglyceride levels related to cholesterol. Avocados also help you process glucose more effectively. Number 5. Blueberries. Blueberries are high in antioxidants that prevent cancer and lower the risk of diabetes. Eating 2 or more servings of blueberries per day can lower the risk of developing diabetes even without considering the risk factors such as age and weight. The fiber content in blueberries helps manage blood sugar spikes. Number 6. Asparagus. Asparagus contains antioxidants that reduces the impact of diabetes on the body. This also promotes the production of insulin in the body. Number 7. Beans. Consumption of at least 1 cup of legumes every day increases the body's ability to control blood sugar and lower the blood pressure. The high fiber content in beans reduces the impact of many diseases including diabetes. People consuming beans and legumes demonstrate lower fasting blood sugar levels. Number 8. Fish. We learned earlier that omega-3 is good for our body. Seafood contains adequate amounts of omega-3 fatty acids which not only lowers the risk of diabetes but also the risk of heart problems and Alzheimer's. Increased consumption of fish also increases insulin sensitivity. Number 9. Flax seeds. Flax seeds have been known to lower blood glucose, triglycerides, and cholesterol levels. It is best digested when ground and work as a great addition to smoothies or salads. Check out this video for my top 3 smoothie recipes. Number 10. Kale. Kale is known to significantly lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Consumption of green leafy vegetable can help diminish the risk of diabetes by 15%. The alpha lipoic acid in kale is said to decrease blood glucose levels, increase insulin sensitivity, and prevent oxidative stress damage. Number 11. Garlic. Research suggests that garlic possesses the ability to lower cholesterol and blood pressure. Diabetics generally notice positive results with consumption of garlic. It is known to elevate the levels of insulin in the body. Number 12. Nuts. Nuts are ideal snack for diabetics and can help control blood sugar levels. Nuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and vitamin E. Limit your intake to 25 grams of nuts a day as they are high in calories. Number 13. Quinoa. The high fiber content of quinoa makes a great substitute for white rice. It is one of the top foods for diabetics. Number 14. Oats. Oats contain slow-releasing carbohydrates along with high fiber. This helps with heart disease, cholesterol and diabetes. Check out this video for my healthy oatmeal recipe that you can make at home. Number 15. Red onions. Red onions contain antioxidants that is known to significantly reduce the risk of diabetes. Soya beans or soya milk. Soya beans or soya milk has been known to reduce the risk of diabetes significantly. It is high in protein, low in saturated fat, free from cholesterol, and also is a great source of zinc, iron, folate, potassium and fiber. Number 17. Spinach. It is one of the best sources of iron and other minerals and vitamins. It is also a low-calorie food. Adding vitamin C foods to iron-rich foods helps boost the absorption of iron by the body. To learn more about foods that help you absorb nutrition better, watch this video which will give you my top food pairings. Number 18. Red peppers. They're loaded with vitamin C, beta-carotene and vitamin A. It can significantly reduce changes to developing diabetes, heart disease and cancer. Number 19. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich sources of lycopene, vitamin A and vitamin C and high in antioxidants. They are easily absorbed when cooked and can significantly aid in the management of diabetes. Number 20. Tea. Tea lowers cholesterol levels and is known to contain anti-cancer properties and is effective in lowering cholesterol. Diabetics must avoid adding sugar to their tea. Number 21. Probiotic-rich foods. Yogurt or curd are rich in probiotics and help lower the cholesterol levels by boosting your gut health and improving good bacteria in your gut. This in turn helps boost your health and overall immunity. Here are some of the foods that you need to avoid if you are diabetic. Coffee. It is better to substitute coffee with tea. Juices. Juices contain no fiber. Refined flour or rice. Processed meat, fried foods, hamburgers, bread and pizza. Here are some of the supplements that you can take when you're trying to deal with diabetes naturally. Multivitamin supplement. Metformin, a medicine used to treat diabetes, often interferes with the absorption of vitamin B12. Magnesium plays an important role in the regulation of blood sugar. A high dietary magnesium consumption is linked to lower fasting insulin concentration and hence reduced risk of developing diabetes. Vitamin D. Some of the physicians suggest vitamin D deficiency as a root cause of insulin resistance and diabetes. Food sources of vitamin D include fish, cheese, egg yolks and oysters. Sunlight is a great way to get vitamin D into your body. Omega-3 fatty acids. As discussed, omega-3 is very important in prevention and treatment of diabetes. If you are not consuming enough omega-3 fatty acids through foods, choose supplements that provide at least 600 mg or more of omega-3. Some recent studies show that intermittent fasting has been an effective way to treat and reverse diabetes. I will cover that in a new video, so if you want to be notified when I release the video, subscribe to my channel. Evidence-based studies show that an effective treatment strategy for dealing with type 2 diabetes is to improve your lifestyle and eat healthy, nutritious food. I hope you can benefit from some of the nutritional advice and tips I shared in this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who might be suffering from type 2 diabetes or looking for ways to prevent it. Subscribe to my channel so you get notified every time I post a new video. Please remember, before making any changes to your medication or diet, you need to consult with your doctor and take their advice. If you have a type 2 diabetes related question, comment below and let me know and I will try to answer it or cover it in one of my future videos. Thank Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay healthy.